Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I hope your year is off to a fantastic start. I'm kicking off 2025 with a delicious and nutritious recipe. Sautéed kale, paired with black-eyed peas and some hearty vegan Impossible meatballs. Also adding a special twist with AV's thick and spicy hot sauce, sure to be your new condiment of the year. Plus, don't forget this recipe can be found on my Buy Me a Coffee website where you can follow along and grab all the details. Before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new future delicious videos. Now, let's get to cooking.
So for this recipe, you will need 1 bunch of kale that you finely chopped. Make sure to rinse it and clean it well. You're going to chop 1/2 of a white onion into fine pieces, and you're going to add some oil to the pan on medium heat, and you're just going to cook this just for like a few minutes just to soften it a bit, and then you'll add your kale and some water to the pan. And it's always a good idea to add more kale than you think because it does cook down. And then you're going to want to add your seasonings, including garlic, Creole seasoning, smoked salt, red peppers because I like it spicy, and a tiny bit of soy sauce. That's kind of like the key ingredient. And you're going to want to mix this in and cover it with a lid and let it steam. And you're going to want to check on this from time to time. And you'll know it's done when it's slightly like a little bit darker green. And then you'll just plate it with your favorite sides. And this is a new recipe called Fiery Chili Arbol Pepper by AV's Thick and Spicy. It is a very spicy hot sauce, but it goes very well with greens. And that's it. See, I told you guys it was simple and easy. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!